What's up, guys? How's it? Welcome back. As you know, this is the second video of the Flutter 101 tutorial where I try to share with you guys my knowledge of Flutter. We will continue where we left off on that previous video. Please bear with me, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also click the bell icon to get the latest videos from me and this channel. Okay, so we will try to continue where we left off. Remember on the previous video we did some container. We put in some containers, we put in some text, and then we try to put in some constraint on our container, right? So today, now we're gonna do some scaffolds. We're gonna try and put some scaffolds here and some app bars as well as some buttons, right? And floating buttons. But then we will try to cut the video short because as you know, I don't like to make my videos so long. I like to have like 15 minutes of videos. So please bear with me as I try to do this. And yeah, welcome back to the video series. So let's begin. On a previous video, this was where we left off. This is how we did our app. But then as you can see, it's not eye-catching at all, but it is a fully functioning app. It's not eye-catching, but it is. So we're gonna try by all means to make this eye-catching. So we're gonna try to wrap this center widget with another widget called the scaffold. Basically, the scaffold will make our video look good. It will make our video be more eye-catching and all that. So we're gonna wrap it with a new widget, which is called scaffold. You know. And inside that scaffold, we're gonna have an app bar. We're gonna have an app bar. We're gonna have an app and an app bar, which will be an app bar. Okay, and this is going to be our body. Instead of a child, it's going to be our body. Yeah, and let me try to format this so that it looks great. Yeah, thank you. So if we rerun this app, hopefully you will see the changes and the text and everything will change, and we will have an app bar, but it won't have anything on it. But then yeah, it is a start, right? It's better than nothing. So as we wait for it to load, so please bear with me, please wait as it reloads. Voila, our app, it's done reloading. As you can see, this was our text, but then we gotta make this text a little bigger so people can be able to read it. So we're gonna give it a style, and that style is gonna carry a text style, and within that text style we're gonna give it a font size. Let's give it a font size of 25, right? I know it's a bit big, but then that's the aim. We're trying to make this oh, not font size, sorry, my bad. Font size, yeah, font size, not font style. So yeah, as you can see, it's now big. Like I said, we're gonna have an app bar, but our app bar doesn't have anything at all. So let's try to give our app bar something, and I will explain the scaffold, guys. Literally, a scaffold creates a visual scaffold for material design widget. It creates all these things so that all the widget can be can be decorated or rendered, can be rendered on that scaffold. It's like a platform which everything is like a table. It's some sort of table where you can lie all the widgets and try to build on top of the table. That's how I can explain. I hope you guys understand. I have no bad I understand, but then you can read up on this thing. So as you can see here, okay, let us continue. Let me create. Oh, as you can see, these are all the things that an app bar can carry. The widgets, all every widget that you can add that an app bar can carry. So we're gonna start with the title, right? We're gonna give that a title, a text widget, which is going to be, what can we say, my app, my first app, right? And I'm gonna reload that. As you can see, let's try to make this thing beautiful. Let's give it an elevation. Let's give it an elevation of 8. If you don't know what's an elevation, you can still read about it. It's gonna make it look like it has some shadows and it's on top, by extending above the scaffold. It's gonna give it a great look. You will see, you see, I don't know if you can see, but there's some tiny shadows there, right? We can also try to center our title, and I think it's a boolean value, right? Yeah, so we can make it true. So as you can see, our title is right true. And also we can try to add a menu on the side, but first let's just remove this debug banner first. And how to do so: we're gonna come here to our material app and disable the debug banner, the debug show check banner, and we're gonna set it to false so that it doesn't show, it leaves a space. So let's try to put a menu on the right side here. So we're gonna try and put a menu here. And how are we going to do that? We're gonna say actions. It's gonna give us a widget, and from that widget we can enter icons, right? Okay, or an icon button. Either way we can do. Okay, let me just say an icon button. I'll just give it an icon, a regularly icon. I don't know which one should I give. Should I give it an icon button, or either way it will be clickable at the end? So I don't know which one should I give. Should I give an icon? Let me just try an icon button, right? An icon button, which will give us this thing. Okay, let me just say an icon to make things easy for you guys. So icons dot menu, icons dot menu, and then you will see we're gonna have a menu button. Oh, I don't want this type of menu key. I don't want that type of menu. What do they call that one? I forgot what they call that one. There are a lot of options there, but let me just say settings then, since well I don't remember the exact name of the one that I'm looking for, so I'm just going to say settings, and then you can also give your icon some style to it, some color, so you can say colors dot black. Like no black. I love black, guys. I love black is great. And then we can also try to change the background color for our bar, so we can say colors dot orange. Let's say orange, right? Orange. I don't know how it will look. And then also give our I'm tired of typing this. Style. Textile. We're gonna give it a textile. A textile in which we'll get some color, and from that color we're gonna give colors. But can we say black as well? Okay, let me just say black, and then we'll see how it looks, right? Okay. Not bad at all. It's not bad at all. As you can see, it looks great. It looks great. Better than I ever thought. You see. So yeah. So